if you cannot redeem your promotion or any type of card or voucher on your Shopee website or application just on your phone. So how can you fix it or how can you solve it? Hey guys, welcome back to the channel again, and in this video I'll be simply showing you that how can you avail the feature that is redeem your promotion code on your Shopee website. For this, what you have to do is this type of error only occurs if you are not connected with a better network connection. So we will make sure three things in our mobile phone. The first one is swipe your phone and then check your network connection. I'm connected with a good network connection here. After that, I will simply just refresh the website here and then again try to do this thing. But the last thing is I will simply tap this button and just restart my mobile phone. After that, it will be refreshed and I won't face any type of error like this. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it. Please subscribe our channel for watching more technical videos, updates and reviews like this.